Unraveling the mystery of dangling prepositions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel a fascinating element of English grammar, the dangling preposition. We'll explore what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it. Don't worry, we've got this. And remember, grammar isn't just about rules. It's about understanding how language works. Let's start by defining a dangling preposition. In the simplest terms, a dangling preposition is a preposition that does not have an explicit object following it. Prepositions are words like on, in, at, from, with, etc., and they're usually followed by a noun or pronoun. Here's an example of a sentence with a dangling preposition. Who are you going with? In this case, with is the dangling preposition because it isn't immediately followed by its object. It might seem unusual, but in conversational English, it's very common. There's a lot of debate around dangling prepositions. Some grammar purists argue that a preposition should never be left dangling at the end of a sentence. They would prefer to rearrange the earlier sentence as, "With whom are you going?" However, most modern grammarians, linguists, and style guides have relaxed their view on this issue. They believe that in informal speech and writing, ending a sentence with a preposition can often make the sentence sound more natural. So, how can we spot and correct dangling prepositions? First, look for prepositions that end a sentence without a clear object. Then, you can often revise the sentence by moving the preposition so that it directly precedes its object. However, remember, it's not always necessary to correct dangling prepositions, especially in casual conversation or writing. Just ensure that your meaning is clear and the sentence is not awkwardly structured. There you have it, folks. The ins and outs of dangling prepositions. We hope this clarifies any doubts you had. Remember, English is a dynamic and flexible language, so don't stress over every single rule. Focus on clear, effective communication. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.